Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to review about Bodyshop Vitamin E Toner. Already in my previous video I have reviewed about Bodyshop Vitamin E Moisturizer Cream. This video is I'm going to give you totally honest review because I'm using this product more than a year. This is not a paid video and whatever I buy मैं अपने पैसे से खरीदती हूँ. ये स्पॉन्सर वीडियो बिल्कुल ही नहीं है. And you people know that I am a huge fan of Bodyshop product because I feel whatever they claim, at least 80% it is true. Yeah, I know Bodyshop के products बहुत expensive होता है, लेकिन when you get good result, definitely you will like to buy. The price is 895 rupees and quantity is 250 ml. Price is indeed pricey because I feel same quantity toner in different brands you will get at 350 to 500 range. It is saying that it is for all skin type, but let me tell you, it is the best toner for dry skin because you all know that I am having super dry skin. So I am totally satisfied after using this product because it gives you like 10 to 12 hours coverage in the morning. After washing my face, I use this product, and after that I use moisturizer cream. Then I feel around evening 7 or 8 o'clock, I feel like yeah, now I need to moisturize my skin again. The quality of the product is not runny, it is little bit thick. Automatically you will feel after you use this product that it is going to hydrate your skin so well. So I'm going to read what it claims from Bodyshop website. It is saying a refreshing, hydrating, alcohol-free toner with protective vitamin E and moisturizing wheat germ oil removes traces of makeup and remaining cleanser, leaving skin feeling clean, supple and hydrated. Helps to maximize absorption of follow-on products. Use as part of your personalized skincare program. So let me tell you, wheat germ oil is a anti-aging and antioxidant component, so which repairs your damaged tissue and it hydrates your skin. And you all know what is the benefit of vitamin E. Vitamin E acts as a anti-aging component and it treats sunburn, moisturizes your dry skin, lightens your dark spot.
Here I am cleaning my face thoroughly with wet wipes. After that I am cleaning my face with face wash, which I didn't show here. Now I am taking cotton pad and I have taken 5 to 6 drops of toner. Now thoroughly I am cleaning my face. Please gently clean your face, don't rub it. Even though I cleaned twice, but still you can see lots of makeup came out. Now I am taking a moisturizer cream. Please nicely massage it and now you're ready to go.